Hello, good morning to all. Very
Hi.
good morning. Hi, good morning. Good morning, Jashran. Good morning to all. How are you all? Doing good?
Yes,
Hmm?
sir.
Or doing best?
Doing
Doing good.
bestest. Doing bestest.
Bestest. Very good. Okay. So we were doing question, but I have one doubt. This is fed by Jashran. Yes, Jashran. What doubt you have, beta? Jashran, can you hear me? My battery power is low. Yeah. So which what doubt you have?
From the test, sir.
From the test. Okay, what's the test?
The test.
Is it from science or from maths?
Math test, sir.
Maths, which question number?
Math test question number 10.
Give me a second, please. Okay, so you have doubt in question number 10. Um, if 10A,
Which question is this?
I'm writing this. This is the question. This is the question. This is the question? Okay. So now 10A is equals to 1. It is given that 10A is equals to 1 and 10B is equals to root 3. So if 10A is equals to 1. So tell me where in the 10 table when the value of 10 is 1, at which degree? The table which we make sine theta, cos theta, tan theta at different degree angle. So tell me when tan theta, when 10 is 1.
45 degrees.
So can I write like this? Tan A is equals to tan 45. Like 1 is there, so I replace 1 with tan 45. So now this 10 and this 10 will cut. So I got A is equals to 45 degree. Correct? Yes or no? In the same way, tan B is equals to root 3. So tell me the value of 10 when the root 3 is there.
60 degrees.
So can I write like this? Tan B is equals to tan 60 degree. Now this 10 and this 10 will cut. So B is equals to what? 60 degree. Correct? Yes or no? Now it is written as cos A. So cos 45 into cos 60 minus, Miracle, please turn on the camera, sine 45 into sine 60. Just value. Wherever, okay. So wherever like 45 is given, A is given, I wrote 45. If B is given, I wrote 60. If A is given, I wrote 45. B is given, I gave 60. Did you understand? Yes or no? My God. Did you understand? Yeah. So now cos 45 is basically 1 by root 2 into cos 60 is root 3 by 2 minus sine 45 is 1 by root 2. I wrote wrong. Into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it will become 1 upon 2 root 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. So 1 minus root 3 upon 2 root 2. I have to rationalize it. It will become, this is the answer.
Or root 2 minus root 6 by 4.
Yeah. You can do this thing also, like you can multiply with both the term. It will become root 2 minus root 6 by 4. Did you understand this one? No. Where you got stuck?
I tried to solve it without putting the degrees in others. So,
Okay, okay. Now you understand, Miracle?
Yeah, sir. Like the rationalization, something confusing.
See, the rationalization is root 2 is there. So if I will multiply the both up and down with root 2 and root 2, so this root 2 and this root 2 will become 4. I mean 2. Root
Yeah.
2 into root 2 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So I make the denominator as a whole number or a natural number, so that this is called as rationalization. Did you understand? No.
Yeah. Yeah, I understood, sir.
Hmm. Next. No doubt. Next. Shall I raise this?
Yes, sir.
So who didn't submit me the test? The two tests which I gave? Ira?
One science test. I'll do it and answer.
And American, you submit me both tests? Science and maths? Okay. Jashron, what about you, beta?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I will check this week. This week you have Friday test. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Friday test, the test which I didn't give, well, like one test which I didn't give, no, during the break, that is shifted to Friday. So you guys be prepared. Ira, please do a reminder message in the group, like which topic test is there. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Shall I raise this now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So we were doing some trigonometric questions. And yesterday homework. Any problem, guys?
No, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, do trigonometry till Friday. Next week I can start with new chapter.
Yes, sure, sure. So in terminal exercise, which question we did? Anybody has any idea? Which are the questions that we did?
I had a question also. Like, did anyone here take basic computing?
No, I took data entry, but
Anyone else? Like, no basic computing at all?
so this
Wait,
data
wait.
is also fine
Yes.
or only basic computing?
Actually, me and my brother both took basic computing.
PDF to study from, is it there? Like the online PDF, I don't have that book yet. Do you know where to get that from to start studying that?
I have
It's
the
online.
book.
Is there no?
It's not there online. I like checked it.
How?
I mean,
It's
only
there.
search.
It's there. It's there.
That's right.
Basically, one of our teachers, Sakshi ma'am, she also take online classes of data entry and basic computing. So she took class like she take the book from online only.
Okay, I'll check again. I wasn't
Mm.
finding it in the courses that they gave. That's why.
I can
Okay.
send it to you if you like.
Yeah, could you please send
Hi, Bethia.
Hi.
Okay. Okay. So this is the question. At a point on the ground, distance 15 meters from its foot, the angle of elevation of the top of the first story is 30 degree. How high the second story will be if the angle of elevation to the top of the second story is same at the same point is 45 degrees. So I request Miraculin to draw the diagram, and who will solve this? And Jashran will solve this. Okay,
So
so
my battery is very low. The device might shut down very
okay,
soon.
okay, okay. So you just have to tell me like what to do. Simple as that. So annotate part, Miraculin will do. Yes, Miraculin, your point, your platform. Hmm?
Sir,
Hmm?
I'm confused in how to draw the first story, like the 30 degree.
So how it's a 15 meter. The point 15 is distance from its foot. Okay, okay. So I guess it's not correct diagram. You can make any distance, no problem in that. But I guess it's not correct. Check it again. What the question is saying. Check. At a point on the ground. So make a point on the ground quickly. Make a point on the ground. Yeah. Distance 15 meter from its foot, the angle of elevation. So there's a one tower or one building is there which is 15 meter away from its foot. So make a building in front of that point, and the distance between the point and the foot of the building is 15 meter. Make it. Make it. Yeah, so only make single line. No need to make this. For example, this is the line. Okay. And the distance between the point and the foot of the tower is 15 meter. Now, what's the question is saying? The angle of elevation to top of the first story. For example, this is the first story. So the
Yeah.
angle of elevation means this angle is basically how much? 30 degree. Make it. Now to the point.
Okay.
To the point. Like this. काम दिया पर उनका हो गया था शायद वो होमवर्क वाले हो गया
Sir, you're mute.
Now, for example, this is second story. Okay, which is the second one? This is the second one. And the angle is basically how much? 45 degree. Make it 45 degree. So make a line from here to here, making it 45. Oh my god.
The cursor is like
Try with the like if you will touch the pencil again, you will have an option of line. If you will touch the pencil again, you will have an option of line.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this will be the diagram. So this will be how much? 45 degree and this is 15 meter. So you have to name it. Okay. So for example, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. So now what you have to find? How high the second story will be means this is the I mean you have to find this whole
Yeah.
AC.
Yeah, I know.
You have to find AC distance. Can you solve it, guys? Can you solve it by your own? Will you try? No. This one? Any problem, beta? This one? Any problem? Hello, Jishron. Net went, I guess. Yeah, Jishron, can you hear me? Jishron, can you hear me? Hello. Yeah. How to solve this, Jishron, now?
Take triangle ADC.
In triangle ADC. Yeah. So what is given in that?
Theta is 45 degrees. Base is 15 meters. And perpendicular, we don't know what it is.
Base is 15 meter and the perpendicular which we don't know. Okay, so what trigonometric function you will use?
Tan.
10. So 10 45 is equals to perpendicular upon base. I guess you have to find not this thing. You have to find this thing. Okay, so 10 45 is 1. Perpendicular, I don't know. Base is 15. So it will go. So perpendicular is basically 15 meter. I got this as 15 meter, like this whole as 15 meter. Okay. Now next, what we will do?
Triangle BCD.
In triangle BCD. So what is given? Theta is how much?
Theta is 30 degrees. Base is 15 meters. And perpendicular is 15 minus BC.
Perpendicular
If you
is
can take an
BC.
aspect.
Yeah. So what trigonometric function you will use?
15 minus tan.
Tan 30 is equals to perpendicular upon base. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 is equals to perpendicular. I don't know. Base is 15. So it will go that side. 15 by. Hello. Yeah. So I got 5 root 3. Now we have to find the distance of this I got as 5 root 3. Now if you want to find a distance AB, so how it will be? AB is equals to AC minus BC. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yeah. So AB is equals to AC is basically 15 minus 5 root 3. So if I will take out 5 as a common, so it become 5 minus root 3 meter. This is the answer.
Or 25 minus 5 root. Wait, not 5, it's a
No.
3. Wait.
3 3.
Okay. 15 minus 5 root 3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Next in BCD. Why are we only using tan?
Because only perpendicular and base is needed, no? There's no need of any
Most
other
of
thing. That's why.
For most of them we only use tan. Only for a few things we use sine and cos.
Yeah.
Done, sir.
Then shall I use this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give the next question?
No, sir. No, sir.
प्रशांत कर रहा है, मैं ओवरलुक करके चेक कर रहा हूँ कहाँ कहाँ गलती है, क्या सजेशन हो। Okay, done. Shall I use this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, which question will you give?
Yeah. And now I will give you a little hard question. Miracle, are you getting this or not, beta?
Yeah, sir. Now I'm getting it.
Hmm. So, Ira, can you read the question, please?
Aeroplane flying horizontal 1 kilometer above the ground is observed at an elevation of 60. After 10 seconds, its elevation is observed to be 30. Find the speed of the airplane.
Hmm. So first it was 60, then it become, after 10 seconds, it become 30. So can you draw the diagram, Betya?
And who will solve it?
Edric will solve this. Yes, Betya, draw the diagram. Ayo, what is this, bro? Now,
I'm using a
Betya,
phone.
the question is 1 kilometer above the ground, the observed the angle of elevation was 60. After 10 seconds, the angle of elevation observed 30 degree. Means the plane doesn't come down. The plane is moving like this.
Oh.
So, oh, so for example, if plane is there like this, okay, and from this, if it is making 60 degree, after 10 seconds, like after 10 seconds, it will travel like this, okay, and that makes 30 degree,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
like this, like this. Did you understand? No.
Oh, yeah.
Miracle, did you understand? So the time taken for this is 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Now we have to find the speed of the plane. Now we know that speed is basically called as distance upon time. So we have the time, which is 10 seconds. If we will find this distance, so we will divide it by time and we get the answer. Did you understand, guys? If you didn't understand, please ask me.
Yes. Okay. Okay, so first we need to find this one. In a triangle ACD.
In triangle AC,
ACD.
yeah. So in triangle ACD, yeah.
In ACD, The theta is 30 degrees.
Theta is 30 degree, correct.
Then this then perpendicular is 1000 meter.
Yes, good. Because it's given as 1 kilometer. Okay, so 1 kilometer is basically 1000 meter. Good.
And we need to find the base.
Hmm. So what will be the base? We don't know. So what is the formula?
Tan
Theta
30.
is equals to
Tan 30.
Hmm.
Tan 30.
tan 30
P by B.
P by B. Then
So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 1000 by B.
1000 by B.
Then B is equal to 1000 root 3. P.
Correct. Then
Then in triangle AB,
in triangle ABE. Then
theta is 60 degrees.
hmm.
Then perpendicular is 1000. Then
And
we need to find the base.
hmm.
And tan 60
Then
tan 60 degree is equal to P by B.
Then
Then root 3 is equal to 1000 by B.
Then
Okay. Then B is equal to 1000 by root 3
Then
is equal to 1000 root 3 by 3.
Very good. Now
Okay.
we have to find ED.
That means it will become ED is equal to B AD minus AE.
Then
It's equal to 1000 root 3 minus 1000 root 3 by 3.
yes, 1000.
1000 root 3 minus 1000 root 3 by 3.
Then
Which is equal to 2000 root 3. 2000 root 3 by 3.
Then
ED is equal to 2000 root 3 by 3. And now we need to
Okay.
find the speed. So distance is 2000 root 3 by 3, but time is 10 seconds. So 2000 root 3 by 3 divided by 10.
Then
It will become 200 root 3 by 3 meter per second.
correct. Guys, did you understand? Or if you didn't understand, please ask me. Miracle, ask me. Betya, ask me. Where you didn't understand? Miracle,
Yeah, sir.
yeah, ask me if you have any doubt. Yes, Ira, ask me.
No, just the last. The X is 200 or 2000.
2000.
So the N of
2000.
200.
200.
200 is 2000 is here. And then here is 200. What happened, Ira? You're not able to see 200? Okay. Yes, Miracle.
Give 3 minutes to write this.
Yeah, like
Miracle.
yeah, the last part I can't understand.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got the distance ED. This distance we have to find first. So ED
Yeah.
we got distance is 2000 root 3 by 3.
Yeah.
Now we know that we have to find the speed. Speed is basically distance upon time. We got the distance, we have the time, we divided it, and we got the answer.
Okay.
Got it? No.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Quickly write it down. Turn on the camera, Miracle. What happened? Why are you turning off the camera? Please turn on the camera, please. नहीं नहीं ज्यादा मैं बस कुछ भी जो सेंटेंस को बोलते हैं ना हाँ
So will be there holidays for Christmas? I was just to ask that.
you will have half yearly exam first
Okay.
on
For
22 December and 23 December.
like for me also because I joined now only now.
So for you, the chapters which like I will include all the chapters which we did. I will tell you the course in November first week. What are the chapters are coming? So the chapter that you did, you have to give that answer only.
Okay, just I think just the trigonometry will come.
No. Two more chapters will come.
Okay.
Wait, wait, wait. Wait. Theta is equal to 60, then wait, distance is equal to
Done, sir.
wait. Now speed less than wait 1 minute. Last part. One more question or no? Answer.
Okay, guys, you have 4 minutes break. Then come back. We'll have a science class. Okay, guys, come back. We will have now science class.
Hi.
So yesterday we did Henry Moseley table, and so yeah, modern periodic table. We were doing modern periodic table, and in the modern periodic table, we learned that there are some similarities are there in the group or in the periods. Okay, so
Yeah.
so if you will check this table, okay, so we have here, this is hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. So these all, like not hydrogen, but these all share the similar properties. In the same way, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. So these all share one property. Okay. Okay. So you can check the, if you will go, this is called as group. Like from up to down, which I'm going, it is called as group. And then how many groups are there? There are 18 groups are there. You can check that. There are 18 groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 18 groups are there. And going from left to right, it is called as periods. And how many periods are there? 7 periods are there. So 18 groups are there and 7 periods are there. Did you understand, guys? Okay. Now, now this group also represent the valency of a atom. For example, you can check like sodium is coming in which group? First group. So sodium has a valency of Na is equals to +1. Did you understand,
Yes, sir.
Ira?
Sir?
Okay. Now magnesium is coming in second group. Just let me complete, beta. When magnesium is coming in second group, so magnesium has a valency of +2. Okay. You can check that aluminium is coming on 13. So from here we have to minus it by 10. Okay. Minus it by 10. So for example, if you will subtract it from 10, so the answer will be 3. So the aluminium has valency of 3. Okay. If I will talk about carbon, carbon has valency of +4 or -4. Like it basically show the covalent bonding. So we'll not go in that. Now, nitrogen is atomic number is sorry, nitrogen is coming on 15 group. So 15 minus 10 is 5. Now, what one is easy to take 3 or to give 5? To take 3. So if because it's taking 3, so the nitrogen valency is -3. It will be -2. It will be -1, and it will be 0.
And sir,
We learned about octet rule.
what about 3 to 12?
Yeah, 3 to 12s are basically some other transition elements table is there,
What is the
which will
value?
not go in deep. We will understand this. We will understand this. We will understand. Okay. So did you understand why the how we take out the valency? Here it is 13. So basically 13 is basically it is written as 10 minus 13, which is 3. So 3 electrons are there. So we know the octet rule. What is the octet rule, guys? Octet rule is to remove electrons so that you can get the 8 electron in the outermost. You forgot everything, or you want me to make you understand again? Did you remember?
Yes,
Miracle?
I
No.
know the octet rule. I know the octet rule. Okay, so octet rule means they need to have 8 electrons in the outer shell.
Yeah. So we learn about noble configuration.
Yes, sir.
So noble configuration is the state that every atom wants to come, because noble configuration leads us to the stability, and every atom wants to be stable. Okay. So noble configuration can be achieved by duet rule or by octet rule. Now, what is the octet rule? Octet rule is the outermost shell should have 8 electrons. If 8 electrons are there, then this is called as octet rule. Did you understand me correctly? Betya? Yeah. So now in this case, if I will talk, like for example, if I talk about Na, sodium. So sodium, you can see the atomic number is written, which is 11. So if I will arrange the 11 into 2, 8, 1 form, because in K shell only 2 will go, in L shell 8 will go, and in M shell 1 will go. So you can check that. You can check that here, like M has only one electron. So M has only one electron. So what one is easy, miracle? To take 7 so that the 8 electron will be there, or to give 1 so that the M shell will degrade and L shell has 8 electrons. So which one is easy? Miracle.
Uh, M shell?
Yeah, which one is easy? To take 7 electrons or to give 1 electron?
Uh, to take 7 electrons.
No. To take 7 electrons is too much, no?
Yeah.
Only
To
giving 1
give
electron is easy.
to give 1 electron.
So here you can check that if Na will give 1 electron, so this M shell will degrade. So what is the outermost shell now? L.
Yeah.
L has 8 electrons. 8 electrons. You can check that here. We have 2, 8, 1. 1 electron is given. Now M shell is degraded. L shell has 8 electron. Octet rule following. Having noble configuration. Stability. Did you understand, guys? Miracle, did you understand anything? Ask me, beta.
Yeah, I understood, sir.
Okay. Now in this case, beta, in this case, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. In this case, what happened? That boron, that here boron has 13. So 13 minus 10 is 3. Now it has two options: to take 5 or to give 3. What is the what boron will do? Miracle.
Uh,
It has two options: to take 5 or to give 3. Which
to
one is
take
easy?
to take 5.
The 5 is more, no? Much electron is there. Instead of
Uh,
like to give 3.
yeah.
Okay. So boron will give 3. So because it's removing negativity from his body, so it will become plus 3. So the boron has a valency of plus 3. Did you understand?
Yes.
In the same way, nitrogen, the outermost electrons has 5 electrons, because 10 minus 5 is 10. 15 minus 10 is 5. So 5 electron is there. So he can take 3 electrons from outside, or he can give 5 electrons. So which one is easy? To take 3 electrons, so that 5 plus 3 will become 8. Octet rule, noble configuration, most stable. Or to give all the 5 electrons, octet rule, noble configuration, most stable. Which one is easy? Miracle.
Uh, to take 3.
Yeah, to take 3, because it's come, no? It's very less. Okay, so nitrogen will take 3 electrons. Okay, so that 5 plus 3 will become 8. Octet rule, most stable. Okay, so because it's taking, so it will be the negative minus 3 will be the valency. In the same way, it's in the same way, it's all are 16. So for example, 16. So 16 means the outermost shell has how many electrons? 16 minus 10 is basically 6 electrons. So 6 electrons are there. So for doing octet, what is the options? Miracle? For having an octet rule, what is the options oxygen has?
Uh, to
Either to take, tell,
to
you're saying correct.
yeah, to give 3.
No, to
Uh,
give all 6, no? To
yeah.
give all 6 electrons, or
Mm.
How many
Uh,
electrons do you need for octet rule?
3.
No, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is not octet. Octet means 8.
Oh, okay. 2.
Yeah. So which one is easy? 6 electrons giving or 2 electrons taking?
2 electrons taking.
So that's why it's taking negativities. So the valency will become -2. Do you understand now?
Yeah.
Hmm? So for example, if I will talk about this, now you tell me 17 is there. The group number is 17. So we have to minus by 10. 17 minus 10 is 7. So it means that outermost shell has 7 electrons. Now tell me about this fluorine. So which one is easy? Like what are the two options fluorine has?
Uh, uh, to uh, to give 5 electrons and to take 1 electron.
All 7.
Oh yeah.
To give all 7 electrons or to take 1 electron. So which one is easy?
To take 1 electron.
So the valency will be -1. Okay, so this is how we calculate the valency. So now guys, you can write all this thing on your table. So group 1 has the valency of +1. Group 2 has the valency of +2. Group 13 has the valency of +3. Group 14 has the valency, we can say 0 or 4. You can take right this.
Wait,
Group
no. Plus 4 or
15
minus 4?
has,
Plus 4 or minus 4? Not 0. Plus 4 or minus 4?
yeah, basically these elements that go in this part, valency part. So we used to write 0 or 4. So 0 is basically 0 if they are not going. And +4 and -4 is basically the same thing as 4. So you can write like that. Okay. So 15 you can write as -3. 16 you can write as -2. So 17 you can write as -1. And 18 you can write as 0. So these are the valency.
Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12? 3, 4.
Yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you. Just give me a second. So we'll write 4. Now, guys, basically, if I will ask Miracle, what is the valency of selenium? So selenium, where is the selenium? First find it out selenium. First find it out selenium. Where is selenium? Selenium. Here's the selenium.
Yeah.
So because group 16 has valency of -2, so selenium will have valency of -2.
Yeah.
Okay. If I will ask Ira, what is the valency of polonium? Where is the polonium? Check the polonium.
The 84, the
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so polonium is coming in which group?
16.
16. So the valency will be -2. Now you don't have to remember all the elements valency. You can find it out easily. Now, basically, as Edric was asking why there's no valency of 3 to 12, basically, these elements are called as,
Transition.
yes, these elements means the group from 3 to 12. These elements is called as transition element. Transition element. Now, transition elements are the elements which have multiple valency. Which have multiple valency. So, like for example, if I will talk about iron, where is iron? This is iron. So iron has valency of +2, +3, not one valency. Depending on the reaction, it has multiple valency. That is why it is called as transition element. So the valency is not fixed. Okay, so for example, if iron will react with oxygen, it has different valency. If iron is react with water, it has different valency. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? So This is called as transition element, and it has multiple oxidation state, means multiple valency.
Then what about
Did you listen, guys?
Then what about lanthanoids and actinoids?
Yeah, lanthanoids and actinoids. So basically, you can check that here star mark is there, and this star mark is basically called as 57 to 71. So you can check that these 57 to 71, when these elements are put in this table, the table get disturbed. Now, to get rid of this, basically Henry Moseley created another table called as lanthanoids, and below that it is called as actinoids. So the lanthanoids and actinoids are the table which is away from the periodic table, but lanthanoids and actinoids have the similar properties. So you can check here from 57 to 71 and from 89 to 103. These elements get separately written here, showing that these elements share similar properties, but they are not considered under the periodic table. Why? Because if it is considered in the periodic table, then these all things will disturb. These all group will disturb. Did you understand, Adric?
That
So
means
to show that,
instead of 18 groups, there will be 32 groups if we put these cells in the periodic table.
yeah, then it will disturb. Like these properties which is coming under the same group will not come in same group. So to get rid of this, he make another group called as lanthanoids and actinoids.
Okay, so what are the lanthanoids and actinoids?
Valency, it also have multiple valency because it's also coming in transition elements.
Oh, oh, the valency is the oxidation state.
Yeah, the valency is basically the oxidation state.
So I think for these it's +3.
It's +3 also, but in some situation it goes to +2 also. So basically, the transition elements has different valencies and oxidation. For example, if I talk about copper, copper has also +2, +3, and +1 also. So we'll not go too much deep in this because this all will come in 11th science. So Bettia will take 11th science, so she will learn this. Okay, so
But
I'm not taking it, Rick. Don't worry. I'm not taking it. He's just saying it.
physics for senior secondary, will you take physics, chemistry, or bio?
None of them.
Oh,
Ira will be there with you. Know? Ira, will you take physics, chemistry, bio? Yeah. Okay. So this is called as transition. Vinay, did you understand? Turn on your camera, please. So you can. There are some names that we need to learn. Okay. There are some names that we need to learn. Okay. You can write it down in your periodic table. Hello, can you hear me? Am I audible?
yes, good. Yes, good.
Mm. So the first group elements except hydrogen, it is called as
Alkali.
alkali metals because it has the valency of +1 and they are highly reactive. They are highly reactive. So one of the example of highly reactiveness is when I will put this sodium into the air without any matchstick, without any other energy source, it will automatically burst because it has very highly reactive. So in the oxygen present in the atmosphere, directly it will react with it. This is called as very highly reactive. Okay. This is also called as alkali earth metal. Why? Because it has the valency of +2. They are reactive, but not more than the alkali metals. They are reactive, but not more than the alkali metals. Now, called as halogens. These are also called as halogens. Okay, these are also called as halogen because they have -1 valuation. This -2 is called as chalcogen.
Then -3 also is there, and -4 and +3 also is there. I know
Yeah.
the names.
Huh?
I know all the names. So -1 is halogens, -2 is chalcogens, -3 is pnictogens, then 4 is tetrals, and 3 is trials.
Yeah. 0 is called as noble gas. 0 is called as noble gas. You guys write it down.
So what is written upon +2?
Reactivity.
Chalcogen.
Reactivity +2.
The +2 is reactivity.
+2. +4. +2. +2 +4.
Yeah.
I have the book, so it's very easy to.
Okay. So wait. What is this? Hey, yaar.
What happened?
Nothing, sir. I just see the one. Okay, so group 1 is +1. Plus
Yeah.
then you have +3, 4, -3, -2, -1, and 0.
Oh.
Then
So what is written upon -1?
Halogen.
-3.
-3, nothing is there. So basically, you have to learn only -2, -1, and 0. Like the question can count what are called as chalcogen. So you can say that group number 16 having the valency of -2, all the elements coming in that is called as chalcogens elements.
After that, like hello.
Wait, group +3 like 13. Group 13 like the +3. It doesn't have anything.
Yeah, sorry, say it again.
Like group 13 that +3. It doesn't have anything. Only like -3, -2, and 0.
No, +3 is name. +3 is the name. I mean, +3, the elements does have name, but we are not writing it.
Okay.
sir,
Yeah.
a group 3 +3. A group.
Group 3 is comes under the transition element. So you can write here. They are called.
What do you mean by transition? Why is it called transition?
Yeah, this is also one story I will tell you in coming. Like we will read about this also.
Group 3 +3, group 4 +4, group 5 +5, group 6 +6, group 7 +7, group 8 +6, group 9 +5, group 10 +4, group 11 +3, group 12 +2.
Cedric, you are playing keyboard now or not?
Keyboard? No, I don't like keyboard because God is giving me a wrong talent.
Why wrong talent? It's not wrong talent.
It is wrong, unfortunately.
You have good talent.
I play harmonium.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. So now, shall I use this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now I will give you time to read from modern periodic table to this. Before this, 2 minutes I will give you time. Quickly read this from page number 120 to the page number 121. Quickly from page number 120 to page number 121. Quickly read this. Okay, done. Okay, so now we will read this part. Um, okay, who will read? Edric will read. Yes, Edric.
Okay. Groups. There are 18 vertical columns in the periodic table. Each vertical column
Hmm.
is called a group. The groups have been numbered from 1 to 18 in Arabic numerals. All
Hmm.
elements present in the group have similar electronic configurations and have same number of valence electrons. You can see in
Hmm.
case 1, alkali metals, and group 17 elements, halogens. That is, one moves
Hmm.
out. More and more shells are added as shown in table 6.6.
Hmm. So you can check that group 1, the outermost has 1 electron. The group 17, the outermost has 7 electrons. Did you understand, Miracle? No. Okay.
I understood, sir.
Hmm.
Array.
Next.
All elements
Yeah.
in group 1 have only one valence electron. Lithium has electrons in 2 shells, sodium in 3, potassium in 4, and rubidium has electrons in 5 shells. Similarly, all
Yeah.
the 7
One more. Sorry, Edric, I'm stopping you in between. Yeah, one thing I forgot. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. So you can check that, like the hydrogen is coming in the first period, no? So it has only one shell, which is K shell. Like we know that K, L, M, N, O, these are the shells we have. So
until
the first shell is shell. The second shell is called as L shell, M shell, N shell. Like this, it will come. So the first is basically like first has helium and hydrogen. So the helium and hydrogen, which have only first shell, okay, it has one shell. It has two shell, K and L. It has three cell, K, L, M. It has four cell, K, L, M, N. So like this, if you will go down to the group, the number of shell increases one by one. Did you understand, Miracle? No. Edric asked
I
me.
understood, sir.
A. So, sir, so the period 1 is 1 shell, period 2 is 2 shell, period 3 is 3 shell, 4, 5, 6, 7. So
Yeah,
the
like this, shells are increasing period by period.
okay, but the number of valence electrons is groups. Number of shells is periods.
Yes, correct. Good.
Okay. Okay. Okay, but
Yeah,
then lanthanoids are in group 3 and period 6. Actinoids are in group 3 and period 7.
yeah.
Okay. Similarly, all the elements of group 17 have 7 valence electrons. However, the number of shells is increasing from 2 in fluorine to 5 in iodine.
Hmm.
Okay, and period. There are 7 horizontal rows in the periodic table. Each row is called a period. The elements in a period have consecutive atomic numbers. The periods have been numbered from 1 to 7 in Arabic numerals. In each period, a new shell starts filling up. The period number is also the number of the shell which starts filling up as we move from left to right across that particular period. For example, in elements of third period, n is equal to 3. The third shell, M shell, starts filling up as we move from left to right. The first element of the period, sodium Na 2, 8, 1 has only one electron in its valence shell, third shell. For the last element of the period, argon Ar
So
8, 8 has 8 electrons in its valence shell. The gradual filling of the third shell can be seen below. Okay.
hmm. So if you will go from left to right, the number of electrons in that particular shell will increase. From down to up, like for example, first group, first period, second period, third period, you can check that the number of cell in each period will increase. But if you will go from left to right, the number of electron in that shell will increase. Did you understand? No. Huh? For example, you can check that this is a third period. So in third period, because it's going from left to right, you can check that sodium, magnesium, aluminum, these all have the same shell number of shell, number 3, 3, 3, 3. And in the each number of shell, the one electron is increasing. Can you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll do till here only. We'll stop here only. Okay. Any problem? Do you have any doubt? Ira, Miraculin, Ditya? No
Divya.
problem. Yeah. So we'll stop our class here only. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tadaba Shabakher. Tayo. Nara.
Bye, sir.
Peace.